Good evening, teacher and partners. This is my homework for important events in my life. My name is Luis Andres Cortés Lugo. The categories I chose was your favorite vacation, trip to Mexico, a challenging situation, cross a bridge in Villeta, a childhood memory, family party. My favorite vacation was trip to Mexico. Where did you go? We went to Mexico because it's beautiful country and we were interested. Who did you go with? I did this trip with my boyfriend. My favorite vacation. When was the vacation? These vacations were made in 2017 and we were there for 15 days. A challenging situation. Cross a bridge in Villeta. What was the situation about? During a bicycle trip in Villeta, we passed a very high bridge. When did the situation happen? This situation happened in 2016 during Holy Week. How did you feel? I was very afraid because I am afraid of heights. A childhood memory. Family party. Why was the situation important in your life? It was a family party where we all shared and played a lot with all my cousins. How old were you in the moment? I was 6 years old at the event. A childhood memory. Who were you with? I was with my family and my friends. Conclusion. In my life, I have had many important moments. I have traveled, I have danced, I have enjoyed many joyful moments in my life. The trips I had made had been spectacular. I was very happy child and I have had situations that I have taught me many new things. Thank you.